Hey. Èrò ayé lọ sú wa o, wọ́n pọ̀ lẹ́gbẹ̀lẹ́gbẹ̀. Ìjọba ló ṣẹ̀dá onírúurú nínú nǹkan. Agbára rẹ̀ pọ̀, and there is no one like unto thee. Ọba tó dán dúró. There is none. Ọkọ mi, you have wake.
Yes, so. You would have woken me up to come and help you now.
Okay, you okay now. You wait person won't surprise. Nobody you say this thing, the hungry yesterday, and I say make a surprise. Now you don't go wake, you don't spoil the surprise. Why do they look me like that?
Nothing, I just too love
you. Your phone ring.
Yeah. No, it work. It work.
I pick him now. If it's work, we go bring money. Go pick him.
Oh.
What? Pick him. Ashewo.
Hello, guy. What's up? What now? Guy, today is Saturday now. Fine. I'll come. Is it not then? You see why I didn't want to take the call in the first place? Now I have to go update and leave for the office.
She be your best friend now. If you call you now for something good, don't worry, go back. Before you come down, everything go done. She be cool down on, no worry. Go back for Jare. Go back when you come down, food go done. Go back for now. Alola Shewo Lara. Go back for Jo. Oh no. Eléyìí máa bloody. Kábíyèsí. Emily Onikaba, you ọkọ mi. Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I did.
Please, is my brother close?
He just come out for kitchen. Now, won't go bath. In the go work.
Work?
Na Ben, he call and that him best friend. Say one work. I don't know what they talk for the phone, but it be like say important, so you don't go bath.
And you believe him? Offices don't work today. Now it's Saturday. I'm sure he has gone to meet one of those his numerous girlfriends that I always complain to him about.
Morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
Fine, sir. Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Please, sir, can I see your boots?
My boots?
Yes, sir.
You know me, I stay in this estate.
Well, need to check, sir.
Okay. Go ahead, check.
Okay.
Go ahead, open it.
Kidnapper!
What? I beg officer, my husband no be kidnapper. My husband no be kidnapper. I beg, no alarm. He no be kidnapper, I beg. I beg, my husband no be kidnapper, I beg. I beg. Now my husband no be kidnapper.
Are you crazy? For God's sake, have you lost it? Have you lost it? I should not be no. Really? Really? You embarrassed me. You made me look like a kidnapper. Me. If you wanted to go out with me, all you needed to do was just tell me. Simple. You want to go out and I'll say fine. Let's go. Okay, wait. Why did you get into that boot?
Surprise. I said I should do something.
What?
I said that if you get to where you're going, I'll just come out and do tada.
Really? You will come out and do tada carrying a pistol?
Okay, this is pistol.
What? No. It's pencil.
Má bínú, my love. My love, olówó orí mi, má bínú. What's your lórúkọ? Má bínú, Odejo. My love. Ọkọ mi.
Look, if you have something to say, just say it.
Food done.
I'm not hungry.
No, she be alone, baby. Má bínú,
Get up.
I know say I mess up. Say I'm not going to do am again. If you no chop my food, my heart will pieces.
Just get up. You know I don't like seeing you down. Just don't kneel down for me.
Tell me say you don't forgive me. I'm not going to stand up.
Fine, I forgive you. Stand up.
Say God.
Yes, God, I forgive you. Look, I like going out with you. Alright, if you want to go out with me, just tell me, simple, and we'll go together.
I don't let go.
Yeah, sure. Good. Come here. Stubborn girl. What did you cook?
I'm feeling.
I can't wait.
Listen. Let's listen to get to the dining. We get to the
2 minutes. Come here. Come. I want to tell you something. Hey, what will I do without you?
Nothing.
Come here.
How was your weekend?
That was good, my love. How was yours?
It was fine.
Yeah. You finally went out on a date with that guy.
How to know?
Why?
I don't like him.
Silly girl.
So I'm almost done. Do you need help?
No, don't worry. I got it.
Okay. Okay. Meeting in 30.
Sure.
Okay, see you.
Yeah. Baby, I'm home.
Where are you from the call?
Okay. Is everything okay?
Where you are from coming. Where you from they come? Jare.
What is this about?
Where you from they come, Jerry?
From work.
And you are lying. Which work you are working that you will be living from India from morning till night. You go outside and be kissy other woman. Hey, Kini.
I beg your pardon.
Beg your age, not beg my pardon.
Who? What woman?
What be this? Kini, what is Kini, What be this mobile law?
Okay, relax. Alright, it's Emily.
Jerry! It's Emily. He said, Ọlọ́run ọba o. See, you will leave me for this house, I go be like share and table. Let's go outside, they carry one like with big yansh. Okay.
What are you saying? What are you talking about? What big yansh? What's this?
Oyinbo yẹn náà no fi mú mi. What is all this? What you used to catch me? See you, see God. He go judge all of us. Only she know.
Fọlákẹ́. Fọlákẹ́, can I please get something to eat?
You know no road go kitchen.
What exactly is your problem, Fọlákẹ́? This drama, it's unnecessary. And guess what? It's beginning to piss me off.
Make it piss you off. Make it piss you off. Tori be gotten piece of Moshe Wayi. You go outside, go carry different girls. Come back once, you expect me say make I keep quiet. Or they don't pay me.
What girls are you talking about? I was with Emily the whole time. You can call her. I'll do what you're saying.
What did I get what I no get? Breast, I get. Yash, I get. Anytime you ask for, morning, afternoon, night, now they give you. What did they find outside?
Oh, please stop. All right, just what in God's name are you even saying?
What?
You know what? I am done arguing or trying to prove myself to you. Anything you want to believe, go ahead and believe it.
No.
I can cook. All right, I'll cook for myself. I don't get it. Who wakes up in the morning and accuses her husband of cheating without an evidence? I don't know if she's in her right senses right now because the whole thing doesn't make any sense to me. I categorically told her the lipsticks were yours. It was yours. I told her. She didn't even bother calling you to even confirm if it was yours or not. She just concluded.
I understand how you feel, okay?
Do you?
I do.
Because this thing is really annoying me. It's driving me nuts. I don't get it. It doesn't make any sense. It's either she doesn't want to marriage or what? Because what's a union or marriage without trust?
Okay, just calm down, okay? And sit. Please. Look, Folake is very timid. And you shouldn't be taking anything she says seriously.
Timid? What has being timid got to do with trust? You keep defending her and this thing is becoming annoying.
Hey, no, I'm not defending her. I'm just saying. Look, I don't want you getting yourself all worked up, okay? We have a really long day today and I don't want you starting off on a wrong note. Cheer up, okay?
It's just pissing me off.
It's fine. Okay, it's okay.
Emily, you sure say this thing when you talk? You sure say you know am? Because I don't know whether you dey accuse am wrongly, all this thing when they talk.
And what's the meaning of that? Are you trying to say I'm lying against my own brother?
Oh, Koribe Jare, it's not like that. My mind no just rest. My mind no gree touch ground. As I dey talk to you now, you dey kitchen, you dey cook, but my mind no gree rest. Even when I dey friend your brother gon sef, me kasha beyen lower, you no do that kind of thing. Now why they ask?
Now why what? You're calling me a liar.
I no call you liar. I no fit talk that kind of thing. You sure say the lipstick on the shirt no be your own?
You self think about it now. You have brains. Why will I hug my brother to the extent of my lipstick staining him? I rarely even wear lipsticks. He has been cheating on you, and I've been trying to advise him, but he doesn't listen. But I'm just doing this because you're a woman like me. I'm simply looking out for you. Nothing else, oh. But if you don't believe me, that's your own problem. One day he will come back home with HIV and pass it to you.
Along when you check me, no, they talk that kind of thing, Jare Emily. Hello? Hello? I don't think say she showed this thing when she did talk. Maybe she do me. When anybody make I go meet my husband.
Like, I don't want trouble. Can you please just leave this kitchen? Just leave, please. I beg you. Hey, no. You know I don't like it when you kneel down.
I don't know what enter my head.
Have I ever given you the impression that I cheat? Or that I will cheat on you?
Nah.
Now what? Someone told you they saw me cheating on you? So how did you arrive at this? How did you conclude that I will cheat on you? How?
Mommy, don't come here. I will not do it again with this shame ever.
Like, I love you so much. So much. The love and respect I have for you will not make me look at another woman. I can't. Alright? That's how much I love you.
I love you too. Come here.
It's okay. Alright, stop crying.
Okay.
Good.
She go sit down for parlor. Make I help you do.
Oh, no. Well, you know what? Let's just cook it together. You see where I cut it. Very good.
Make I run gas. Ashewu.
Wait too. Small. Alright, stand. Wait too. Don't rush yet.
Okay.
Don't rush yet too.
Okay now.
Anything you touch, you carry. That's what you wear. If you touch it, once you touch it like this, yeah, that's what you wear. Oh yeah. Carry.
I don't touch rubbish, Abi.
You know. You wear it when you sit.
Why did you laugh? I don't touch rubbish, Abi. I don't touch nonsense. Ile you da. No fit wear this kind. My love, no now. Eh? No fit wear this kind thing now. See which kind cloth be this. Make I pick another.
No, hey. For what? That's what they're wearing. We'll go like that.
But see what now? First people know the pain. Come do your own. Come shoot you. Wait to. They see.
No.
Wait. Oh yeah. Anything where you touch.
You think that? What? Something happened there.
Pick your name.
Something happened.
Nothing happened. Hey, only pick. Hey, Jerry. Oh yeah.
Say if I can scatter it.
Oh yeah.
Maybe if I touch.
Scatter. Oh, see. If...
Wait now.
Oh. You don't pick up. You don't end.
No.
You don't pick up. You don't pick up. Oh, party. Oh yeah.
I want to say you say I can scatter it now.
Can't go wear clothes.
But you say I can scatter now.
Don't go wear clothes. Scatter with you touch him. You don't finish. Okay, that is what you want to wear.
How about now?
Oh yeah.
How about?
No more John.
How about now?
Wear your clothes. She better
But I
tell
can't wear
to
the
do
socks
now.
now.
Okay, me I can wear this one, Abi. Wear this thing, don't jare.
Okay.
Kini. There go.
No.
Just feel like my auntie that year.
Sorry, come on.
You be like mommy will tell me that they go.
No, Bobby. Yeah.
Why you dey stop now like this?
No,
we dey go.
I beg. Look,
I
can't this one. Look at it, it's bad. It's really bad.
Fine auntie boy.
Yeah, stop.
What happened? No,
Look
you
at
make
me.
the rule. Which one is big account?
I know I made the rules, but if I go out like this, people would make videos. They will post it. They will laugh.
I laugh, they no keep it.
Even at that, no, come on. Look at your husband. Hey, no.
No, go. I know
you know what? Fine. You win, I lose. I'll pay the fine.
200,000.
Yeah, at least I'll live with my dignity intact. But on one condition, come. You're going to remove this clothes from me.
You still want to go? Girl, we are sharing. You wear this kind of clothes. You still want to leave me?
You remove it. You must put it for me.
Yeah.
Come here.
Jerry,
Oh my goodness, God. Baby, I'm home. Babe? Babe. What is this? Wait. What are you wearing?
No, like
What is this? Where did you get this from?
come on, John. I want me you come video me. Get on competition when you do online. And the way for you to make come video me.
Really?
Yeah, now.
I don't know. Wait.
Use your phone.
Okay, please. I don't know.
Dress back.
Hey, wait. Do you need me to be quiet?
Who say anything? Just do that. Go put the song on top.
Okay, that means I can actually talk. All right, let's go. Go. We're ready. Oh my! What the?
No, Jerry. Now, oh yeah, now.
No, but I'm still recording.
You know they see you the record floor.
Oh no!
yeah.
I'm doing it. Okay. Go. Move.
I don't do it.
I'm so sorry. I didn't.
I don't do it.
God's name.
I don't do it.
What is this?
What? I shall.
Hey, baby.
How come you?
Yes.
You're not ready to go.
Oh yes, I am.
No stress for work today.
I won't. I left some money for you. Okay, it's in the room. Use it to buy stuff for your mom.
Today spoil me.
If I don't spoil you, who will? Eh?
Take care of yourself. I will call you.
Please, I'll be expecting it.
Okay.
Alright.
Go there, Sonu. When I last song.
Okay. Alright, baby.
Bye.
Bye. Hi. So, Emily, I called you here because I wanted to tell you that I got someone to fill the position of my personal assistant. So from now on, I want you to focus on your job. Okay?
I don't understand. I mean, I wasn't complaining. I was multitasking very well.
I know. But I know how difficult and stressful it can be to manage two jobs. So I don't want you to stress.
I wasn't complaining. We work so well together. I don't think anyone else is going to understand you like I do. Your work ethics. I just work well, better with you. I don't think you need anybody else.
I mean, I understand, but...
She's not going to understand you.
Oh,
Sir?
she's here. Helen. So, Emily, this is the new personal assistant. Her name is Helen. Helen, my one and only sister, Emily.
Oh, nice to meet you, Ma. I've heard so much about you from your brother.
Same here.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yes. So, you just make sure you go through my calendar and make sure everything is well sorted out. Plan the meetings, you let me know when and how we're going to run it. You
All
understand
right,
that? Okay. All right, thank you.
All right, thank you, sir. All right, thank you.
She looks slow.
Slow.
Yes. I'm not sure she's going to work well with you.
She just started. Let's just give her a chance.
Sure. I should get back to work.
Come in, come in.
Thank
Let's
you.
close the door.
All right, sir.
All right. So just make yourself comfortable.
All
Okay?
right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, sir.
I'll be back in a bit.
All right, sir.
Baby. Huh? Baby. Baby.
Are they here?
Hey.
I thought you traveled. You didn't travel again.
I'm not going again, Jerry.
Why? What happened?
I changed my mind.
Okay. You just changed your mind.
Nothing happened. My mind I just changed.
Well, it's kind of good to have you. I was going to miss you before, but yeah. Work was quite hectic today, so I had to bring work back. I came back with my new PA. We have some work to do there.
PA.
Yeah, my PA. She's outside.
Nobody work with Emily, they do be that.
Yeah, it is. But you know, Emily has other jobs at the company. So I just figured it's best she focus on her own job while I get someone specific for the PA work.
So she did outside like this.
Yes.
Why you not tell me say the real person come house?
Okay. But you never ask, babe. You know you don't know many things about my work. You just leave it. So I figured I just leave it. I mean, we had a lot of work to do, so I just was just like, you should
Why
come.
you be saying that when I tell you say I want travel, go with my mama? Now you bring person come house. Why?
What are you insinuating?
This whole time when I dey house, you never for one time bring person come house. Now when I tell you say I dey travel, you even think say I don't go because you know say I dey house. You get mine bring person come house.
Oh, babe, stop. Stop it. Are you accusing me of something? Just say it.
Whoa, I don't want trouble. Jerry, you see say I dey talk small. I don't want me that one go back, go office, go talk say, Oga Jerry no get, you no feel only wife. Go there if you don't want. Ọlọ́run, go tell her make she come out for this house. If not, ọ̀run máa bọ́lẹ̀ lórí wa ní èyí. Even go fall for our head for this house today. Go tell her make she come out.
Okay, chill. Okay, I understand how this may look, but please, can we not do this today? Alright, I really have a lot of work.
I don't want to care the kind lot of
Hey,
work
you're
you
shouting!
get. Eh? I'm shouting.
Yes.
I'm shouting.
You are shouting.
I'm shouting. I'm shouting.
Stop it.
I'm shouting. What if you hold me? You want to go back? Give me
Bolake.
Okay, now you.
Hey, no.
Oh yeah, I feel like leave me alone.
Wait,
What?
wait.
Hey, you are holding me because of her. Butter. Your responsibility is because of you. What? The thing that will pay me pass is not supposed to be in front of this woman. Hello? Because we work on my rainbow. Oh yeah, I feel like butter.
Hey,
What?
Stop it.
Money or butter?
Okay.
Sir, I think it's best I take my leave.
Look, I'm still the man of this house.
You are still thinking. You
No,
are still thinking. You are still thinking. Just following. Again, for here. Why? What?
Enough!
Enough what? Kenny, you just said I said film you there. Oh, you are following her. You are following her. Because she wear orange and blue. Ah! What gonna get me? What gonna come on me level? Yeah! Okay, you will enter this house again. You will enter this house. Who let you on the shot?
Folake!
Who be that?
Folake, open this door.
Tani.
Folake, open this door.
I no go fit you. Go back to where you did from come.
Folake, please. Look, I've had a really long day. I cannot do this. Let's not do this right now, okay? Please. Open the door.
Go back to where you did from come. You bring woman come and say you want sleep with am. I chase the woman. You follow the woman. Hey, Jerry, to complete what you want start for you, Abi. Cause you go back to where you did from come. I know if you open this door.
What in God's name are you saying? Folake, please, I beg you, open this door.
I no go fit. I no go back to where you did from come. Where would anyone go?
So you're going to lock me out of my own house? What has gotten over you? Open this door.
It's you that come over me or call me. It's you go that come over me. Because it's like between Pa and Mumu. But you're a there ni. I mean because I'm from Ibadan. Go? I don't want to talk to you where I go regret. Go back to where you did from come. Because this door, I don't feel open on this night. I no go school, no miss, I no get sense.
Folake! This is madness. This is just bull crap. Sorry for barging in on you. I don't like hotels.
Hey, it's fine. I'm your sister. What's going on?
Folake locked me out.
What? Why?
I went to the house with Helen to finish some work. And she pounced on her, hitting the girl and accusing me of having an affair.
That's insane.
I mean, she just kept yapping and talking nonsense. Things that does not even make any sense. I don't know. I don't know what has gotten over her. She has changed.
I truly understand how you feel. I mean, locking you out of your own house is crazy.
For no reason. For absolutely no reason. The thing just to bust my brain, guy.
Hey, I understand how you feel, okay? Calm down. I don't want you getting yourself worked up.
You know, she keeps pushing me. Alright, she's really reaching. She's reaching.
It's okay. Calm down. Don't be angry. Have you had something to eat?
I'm not hungry.
You are hungry and you're going to eat my food. I made your favorite jollof rice. Cheer up, okay? Let me get you some.
Emily, please help me ask her what exactly her problem is.
Folake, what's the problem?
Nothing do me.
Why did you lock my brother outside?
Because he bring girlfriend and come home.
Girl what? Hilarious.
Emily, your brother bring girlfriend and come house. I chase the girl away. He follow the girl to go and sleep in hotel. He now bring his second come back. At least me allow him to enter. I mean, enjoy there.
Wait, can you hear yourself? That was my personal assistant, for crying out loud.
The same work that Emily is doing for you. You move her from the job. You now need to bring woman in there. You now bring her to the house when I'm not around. Hey, yo, Emily, by me now. Is there mumu on my head? Abby?
Brother, I actually support her.
You what? Emily, what are you saying?
Brother, I mean, look at it now. You went and brought a girl from nowhere, employed her without even informing me first. And then you now brought her back home the day she was meant to travel to Ibadan. Hey, it's suspicious now.
Emily, thank you. Thank you.
Emily, I had work to finish.
Work that would have waited until the next day. Bringing her back home when you know she's not going to be home makes you look like you're hiding something.
Who? Emilio, when you enter your husband's house, he will know what's on you. Brother, I know used to share. I did not used to share. When I got food, I don't used to share it. I will share my husband. If you know you want to carry another girl, carry me go back to my papa's house that you carry me from. Because if I to see you with another woman, somebody will meet God. Somebody will meet God. Or the two of us will meet God.
Let's not go into this. Folake.
What was that about?
Brother, I was just standing by the truth.
What truth? I brought you here to defend me, to support me, but you ended up putting ideas into her head.
I did not put anything that is not already in her head, though. But brother, look at it now. We were working so well together. We were doing everything together. You now went and employed someone else. Assuming it was me you brought back home, all these things wouldn't have happened. Yeah, I'm just saying, you shouldn't have employed that girl.
I don't know what you they talk. Eh? Now who can't they tell you? Who can't they tell you all these things where you they tell me so? Eh? Who can't they give you nonsense story where you they listen to? Now who you can't they listen to?
I don't they listen to anybody, man.
So now which kind devil can't possess your body? Reach where we say you know what make that man even see small rest. Eh? That man no be that kind of person. Now make I allow him to marry you. But you day be like say you don't forget yourself. You won't use your hands scatter your marriage. Leave that place where you do. Leave that place where you do. May you can't go beg your husband. Leave that place where you do.
Beg and bow kini mo se.
Folake, no let make I vex so. Because I don't know waiting the worry you are praying now. I don't bring you up to be this kind of yeye woman when they listen to people up and down. No. Not let me come down Lagos. Make I handle you, beat you like they beat small pikin. Because this nonsense where you they do like what is small pikin they do. Shoba! Oh there! You will use your hand and finish your marriage.
What if you need to cheat true and again 9p? Why himself go use fine girl do P? Bolotin Sheru, why go use fine girl do PA? Folake wo kon je sùúrù jàre.
Oh God, Folake, please. Please, you can see I'm busy.
Sorry.
Like, I'm not ready for all of this. Sorry. Oh, now I'm Oko me. I'm your Oko now. I'm no longer Jerry.
Just because I've been divorced.
You were vexing for what exactly? Now tell me, what exactly are you vexing for?
Those girls where they work for you, they be fine girls, they fine past me.
Huh?
Now, most times they go wear fine clothes, they do spray. But if I say make you let me to wear that kind of thing, you go say no need, say you like me as I am.
Wait. That's it? For God's sake. Folake, I am not against you wearing what they wear. You know me, I support everything you try to do. Don't I? Exactly. All I just said is that I like you the way you are, irrespective of how you look or how you dress. I'm not cheating on you.
I know, but the way they snap picture with those girls and you do video, they do like say you dey shame for me.
How exactly did you arrive at this conclusion?
They asked me for house, like say you no want make anybody see me for outside.
Okay, I'll say this again. All right. I am not cheating on you, and I am not ashamed of you. All right? Look, if it's the dressing that's your problem, I'll take you out and I'll buy you all those clothes those girls wear. You can start dressing like them. All right? And if it's the what? You say I'm ashamed of you. If it's the pictures and videos you want, right? We'll snap a lot of pictures, we'll make a lot of videos, and I'll post them. I'm not cheating on you, for God's sake. I promise. Vex, no.
Say God.
God. Hey! Who gave me J, right? What the? What was that for? Stop it! Stop it!
I'm highly disappointed in you, Folake. So after I defended you, I stood by you. You still went behind me to go and beg him. So what was the need for all that gra you were doing?
Emily, last, your brother na my husband. And I'm supposed to trust him. If you tell me why he not carry woman, then he mean why he not carry woman. No need to be fighting him again.
Are you serious? Come on now, Folake, are you dumb? You caught him red-handed in this house.
I not catch him red-handed. Let's not lie, let's not steal. I did not catch him on top of the woman. I just entered and see two of them. He bring her come as that's all.
And so, is that not enough evidence for you? What more evidence do you need? He brought her back home when you were supposed to travel to Ibadan. Come on now. Think about it.
Oh, Emily, me, I love my husband. All this thing where you tell me, boy, you should not be telling me again.
What did you say?
Abi, because it's as you are telling me that it's making me to be angry. And as I'm angry, I'm fighting my husband. I don't want to lose my husband. I love my husband so much. It's your brother, but it's my husband. I don't want to lose him.
So this is what I get for standing by you, Abby. For being a good Samaritan to you. No problem. You're calling me stupid.
Egbami. Which time you speak come out of my mind? I don't call you stupid. I can't insult you now.
You have indirectly called me stupid. But no problem. Lesson learned. It's fine. I'll leave you with him. He will continue cheating on you. I will never say anything to you again. No problem.
Your brother. Motherless baby ló ti gbélé yìí. Túlétúlé Òṣogbo èrè ipò Òṣogbo. Àfin. Bọ́kọ tèmi jà mọ́.
Nothing is sweeter than love. When two hearts beat as one, love doesn't care who you are. It doesn't care where you're from. All that matters is what the heart feels. Love is fun, love is beautiful. Nothing is sweeter than love. When two hearts beat as one, love doesn't care who you are. It doesn't care where you're from. All that matters is what the heart feels. I love you and will always do. My heart is yours and yours alone. Through the thick and thin, whether rain or storm, I love you and will always do. I love you and will always do. My heart is yours and yours alone. Through the thick and thin, whether rain or storm, I love you and will always do. Love is fun, love is beautiful. Nothing is sweeter than love. When two hearts beat as one, love doesn't care who you are. It doesn't care where you're from. All that matters is what the heart feels. Love is fun, love is beautiful. Nothing is sweeter than love. When two hearts beat as one, love doesn't care who you are. It doesn't care where you're from. All that matters is what the heart feels. I love you and will always do. My heart is yours and yours alone. Through the thick and thin, whether rain or storm, I love you and will always do.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please sit, Ellie.
Okay, sir.
Helen, I want to apologize for the other day. I never really got to apologize.
It's okay, sir. I totally understand.
I shouldn't have put you through that. Sorry.
It's okay. It's fine, sir.
Were you hurt?
No, not at all. Yeah.
I'll make it up to you. All right? I want to. Just let me know how I can.
Okay, fine. So let me go put on my thinking cap. Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. Just let me know.
All right. Thank you. And you have a meeting in less than 1 hour.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Yeah.
Talk to me now.
Why are you vexing with me?
I'm not vexing.
You are. See, it's not like I was trying to paint you bad. I was just speaking from the point of a woman.
I understand.
No, you don't. See your face, you're angry with me.
Look, I've said it, I'm not angry. Okay, we're good.
Look at the way you're even raising your voice. You know, I will always pick you any day, anytime over Folake, right? That day was just an exception.
I know, and I said we're good.
Okay, if we're fine, can you kiss my cheeks? Kiss my cheeks.
Look at this one. Do you think you're a baby?
I'm your baby.
Are you happy now?
My forehead. I missed you.
You do realize I'm always here.
I know, I'm just saying I missed you. And I love you so much.
I love you too. What is it? Is everything okay?
I'm really jolly. She knew they pick my call. I don't call her finish. She knew they pick my call.
Okay. Why?
Me and I get more small fights.
Ah. What happened?
Nothing. I just want to fight.
Woman fight. It's fine. Look, Emily is a small baby. Okay, so don't stress your head. She will come around. Alright?
No, Wala. I just miss her now. Why?
Eh? You what? You miss her? I don't understand. When I'm here, you're missing Emily.
Ojowuku.
Jealousness. You will explain it. Oh, yeah, fine. Come here. For like I started.
What night?
May I come?
No.
I said come here.
I'm not coming. I'm not coming. I'm not coming. Yeah, come with you. I'm not coming. Yeah, I'm not coming.
Where are you going to come here?
I can't read like this. I think it is bad I read like this. Harry. Yo. So this nigga's been getting rubber. What on bola? What on you? I give them extra lip gloss. Yashamoyashi lip gloss. Yawo Jerry. Brazilian quiz. Brazilian quiz. Big Folake, not the little one. Okay, we don't reach.
You don't miss me, then that'll be the way different.
I'm
telling you, sir. The clients were so speechless.
As it should be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's something here.
Where?
Here.
Mogui? Wow! Nibo! Give me!
Wait. Oh no!
Hold on!
Please, wait now, please. Help me.
So because I say make you know the follow woman, you won't carry me go back go Ibadan abi? Me wear dress up, we wear high heel. I do Brazilian coils for you. You get mine, they lick ice cream with your girlfriend and you dey vex on top.
Look, don't let me use force on you. I say move. We are going. Folake, I say move.
Domestic violence. What's coming up? Will not push me, not push me. I will go. It's your loss.
Yes, let me lose. I would rather stay single than endure this thing you're doing in this marriage. Out! Let's go. Back to Ibadan.
Not by being yellow, Awaraja.
Yeah, let's go. Let's see.
Tessie, o ṣé, bye-bye. Bye-bye, marry Enola.
Better I'm coming now. Where are you?
I know me. Kí ló dé?
Good evening, ma.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ma, I've come to return your daughter to you. The same way I took her. You see her? She's intact. 2 eyes complete, nose complete, mouth complete, ear complete. I brought her back.
Ẹ gbà mí o, return my daughter. What are you talking? Can we settle something inside?
Ma, I'm not ready to settle anything. You see this your daughter? She's sick in the head. I heard her
I don't sick in the head.
Mommy, can you hear it?
It's you are the one that is sick in the head. Cheetah or shikini. Like when finish like Jerry, mommy, ain't got sefer table, but don't say anything.
You see it? Ma, you see it? Like this, my family will come to collect our bride price back.
Bride price. We don't have bride price to give back. Oh, please, let us settle.
No, there's nothing to settle. This your daughter head that's scattered.
They go now. Why you come the announce your departure? Yeah, na airport. They go.
Folake.
I'm here to go.
I should go.
Go now.
I should go.
Hello, Dimu. Go away. Kilo de.
Mommy, can you see?
Oh, no.
You know what? It's fine. I'm not even interested in this marriage again.
Folake,
me and you, Ayapa. Say that this.
Let us settle it.
We are done. No.
Let's settle inside.
There's nothing to settle, ma. I'm done.
Folake ti pa mí o.
Baba mo ye pa yin.
Folake ti
Baba mo ye pa yin ti e bere kan to ṣẹlẹ̀.
Kí ló dé?
Shey
you want people to laugh us?
We no dey laugh na, no be their stomach they take laugh. I wetin be my own. Because they go laugh because I leave my way dey shit.
Hey, you shit?
Person wey I enter in office, I see am dey share screen, na like this dey share screen with one man wey dey nearly dey kiss am.
Egba mi o. You mean say your husband dey kiss another person? I no believe.
Okay, so the thing wey I say, I don't know wetin I say abi.
I no fit believe. Folake, you sure say the thing they talk na true?
Mami, shey make I bust your head. Na him sister tell me say he dey cheat. Na him sister tell me say he dey cheat.
Him sister go.
Emily
go.
Yes, na him tell me say he dey cheat. Na she for advise me say make I wear fine cloth so that Titi girl don't go dey look my husband with big when they don't collect am from my house. Make I go office go surprise am. Na I reach office, I feel by the way about talk where I feel lenu. Instead make you baby come bring me back come my mama house. Say wait, all those hard go be bridge you. Kini, e wo fi mi say mo think say
Folake, I no believe this thing wey you dey talk. I no believe that this Folake husband na good man. Hey. Wọ́n lójú máa rẹ̀. Kí leléyìí o. Mo gbé. Fọlákẹ́, nǹkan tó ṣòdá o. Nǹkan tó ṣòdá o. Nǹkan tó ṣòdá o. Hey. We have to go and beg your husband. We have to go and beg your husband.
Emily, what are you doing sitting outside? You could have gone inside.
You changed the locks. Have you forgotten?
I'm so sorry.
Okay? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Right, all right, let's go.
Okay. Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you think it's something you both can talk out?
I don't know. Emily, I really don't know. I mean, this is not the first or the second nor the third. Right? She's constantly accusing me. She always does. Every time. This minute we are good, happy and all that, and then the next we are fighting. Back to it. That's not what I want from my marriage. Yes, I love her. I do. But sometimes love is not just enough. It's not. Because I will not, because of the fact that I love her, tolerate her maltreating me. I know my worth.
I don't even know what to say. But I just want you to know that I'm sorry about all of this. You don't deserve it. And also, I want you to know that I'm always going to be here for you. Always.
I know.
Eat.
Hey.
Hi.
What's wrong? What's it?
I think I'm developing a fever.
Jeez. You're burning. I should get you meds.
No. I don't like meds. Just hold me, please.
Okay.
Oh, Tiri, oh, shit. Ah. Fọlákẹ́. Ah, báwo ni? Mo ti ṣe. Ah, if you see the hold up on the road. Fọlákẹ́. Kí ló dé? Why is your face like this? Oh, you are missing your husband. You are missing your husband. You don't calm down now. Your mind don't calm.
Mommy, now you offend me. Why you can't vex?
Now you offend you. Make her ask you. You see I'm on top another woman. Waiting be the offense because I don't know whether you see her on top another woman.
Mommy, they cheat. Now your sister tell me saying they cheat.
Yimu. Money yimu. In sister tell you say in the cheat. You tell and say your sister talk say you dey cheat.
Why I go talk that kind of thing? She say make I not tell her say na him tell me. Na secret now. If I go tell her, I should go tell me another one. Agbalagba ni mi now. Eyan ma sọkọ fún mi, ṣé ma lọ sọ fún mi. She say make I not tell her.
You see her? You see her? You momusha. Now you mumu. Because person just tell you say, if they do this, make you no tell her. You can't agree, you no tell her. Assuming your husband, they do that kind of thing where she talk say your husband they do. She is supposed to be there to defend the matter for the front now. Abi no be so. I don't tell you say you mumu. No be for this place, this village, with your two koro eye like this. You know take and see how body sister. You know say now only two of them, their parents born. And sometimes, some girls, they don't want their brother to marry. They don't even want. Because if their brother marry, it be like a problem. No be for this your two eyes for this village. Where you see where body sister scatter in marriage. You don't forget. Where body sister scatter in marriage because she talks say since where body marry. She know they see body again, but they no get her time again, but they know they too give her money again. Now she begin to they do bad planning. Come scatter that marriage. For this you are too high for this village. For like a beauty bagbe. Shoti bagbe ni. Oda. I don't talk say you mama. As you sit down there, another woman just scatter your marriage yakata. Scatter on like this. Scatter. You sit down here, they miss your husband. When your mind don't come down, no. When your mind don't dey. Tell me, if we find how we go back your husband. I'm going to cook my soup. Jaku, in short, I never know what's in a go talk for this your matter. Because you know they use your brain at all.
Emily.
Hi.
What are you doing here by this time?
Let's see, I wanted to show you something.
Is everything okay? What is this?
I hacked into Bio's company's CCTV. Yes. When I got to find out that your PA, Helen, has been visiting them.
That's impossible. She cannot visit them.
I knew you were going to say that. Hence, I decided to come all the way down here to show you. Watch. That's the CCTV footage. Now it all makes sense. They've been producing our designs and we've been calling it a coincidence. Your girl has been selling our ideas to them.
Sir, you sent for me.
You're fired.
What did I do, sir?
You should be thanking me for not involving the police. I trusted you. How could you betray me like that?
No, sir, there is a mix-up somewhere.
There's a mix-up somewhere? A CCTV footage saw you walking into BO company. So you've been selling my ideas to them?
No, sir, there is a mix-up.
How can you betray me like that?
No, your sister.
My sister. Hey, get out of this place right now.
Sir, please. I cannot be fired.
Hey, listen. If you make me escalate this matter, you will regret it. Leave right now.
Sir, please.
Ellen, get out. Emily, what are you still doing up?
Maybe because I knew you weren't sleeping too. Thinking as usual. Let's play again.
Oh, please, no. Happen. Please.
Please now. It's weekend and I'm bored. Let's play now, please.
You're just a big baby.
I know.
Okay, what game do you want to play? God.
Loser drinks.
Just prepare to get drunk.
Look at you. Look at who's sucking. I'm winning you, of course. We go again. Let's go again. Is someone drunk already?
I wish.
Oh, great. Play. Play. Last card. Are you drunk?
You wish.
Okay. Check up. You drink again. Time for some more drink. There you go. Yeah. Drink. Drink. Come on now, big boy. We go again. So, let's go. We go again. Again. Hey, come on now. Are you okay? I thought you said you.
Stop it.
I know you want me.
What? No, I don't want you. You're my sister. Stop it.
Only on paper.
Doesn't matter. You're my sister, okay? My little sister.
I'm not.
Emily, stop it. Stop it. Okay,
I'm not your sister. Oh.
Emily, stop. Stop. Oh, stop. For God's sake, Emily, stop it. Oh, Emily.
Finally up.
What have you done?
You slept well.
Jesus Christ. What have you done?
Can you just relax? What have I done? What did I do? Relax now.
What have you done? For God's sake, we're supposed to be siblings.
Just relax. It's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal.
Can you just relax? Calm down now. Just calm down.
Wait, so you planned all of this?
No, plan what? I didn't plan anything. I didn't. Hey, can you just calm down? Let's just relax. Let's stop.
Relax, what?
Hey, yeah.
Hey,
why you
stay there.
Hey.
Wait, stop it. You planned all of this.
Stop. I didn't plan anything.
How could you? I mean, for God's sake, we're supposed to be siblings.
We're not siblings. I was adopted.
The same thing? We grew up together.
No. Yes, okay, fine. We grew up together, but have you forgotten that when you saw me, you said we were going to get married. You said we were going to have cute babies. You would have your eyes and you would have my eyes. That was what you told me.
Emily, we were kids. Everything changed the moment you got adopted. We are siblings and that's all I see you as.
I'm not your sister. We are not siblings. Jerry, I've never seen you as a brother before. I want more. How can I be your sister when you're carrying all of this? It's not possible. I want more with you. I want to be with you. Jerry, you're meant to be with me. But you went and you left me and got married to that local girl from Ibadan. It was meant to be me.
Are you deaf? It's something wrong with you. You are my sibling and that's all that is.
I'm not your sister. We cannot be siblings. Jerry, I want you.
Hey, stop it. Get out. Get out.
No, I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Okay, let's calm down. Let's sit down and let's talk about it. We can talk about it. Like, I don't... Jerry, no. You have to be with me. I can't let you be with another person. Yes. I will not let you be with another person. You have to be with me or nobody else.
Oh, Tracy. Mommy. I won't see you. Kilode. Ejo, don't worry, no. I beg, come follow me, go beg my husband, Ejo. Ejo, she no go let me go by
Joko. You don't cool down. You don't calm down now. You don't learn your lesson.
I don't go listen to outside person again. I don't go listen to anything anybody else. Even if my blood, Ejo, my Ejo.
Folake.
Ma.
You promise. I don't want to carry you go there. If you talk 1, you talk 10. You don't learn lesson. Say marriage now between you and your husband. And anything where person come they tell you where you not use your true eye see. You go tell the person say, I beg, no tell me anything. You don't learn them. Oda, I will carry you. We'll go there together. It's okay.
Good evening, sir.
Helen, what are you doing here?
I had to explain myself.
I thought I specifically told you not to show your face here again.
Sir, I can't walk the face of this earth knowing you have wrongly accused me. Your sister sent me to bow to submit a letter to the CEO. I swear to God, I have never been there. It was my first time. Initially, I rejected, but she threatened to fire me. That was why I went there. I did not go there to sell anything to them. I promise.
Emily sent you?
Yes, sir.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look at her picture. She's beautiful, right?
She's just there. Nothing much.
Just there. Look. See. See, girl now. Look at her face. See her eyes. Look at her smile.
You like this girl?
Like is an understatement. I love her. I swear. You know, I might just marry her. She makes me happy.
You don't even know her.
Does it matter? When me and this girl met, it was like an instant connection. Straight up. I can't stop thinking about her.
You're making me jealous.
You see this one? Jealous as how? What's making you jealous?
I don't like seeing you with other women. I don't like seeing you with her. I don't like seeing you with anyone except myself. You're not meant to be with her. You're meant to be with me. We're meant to get married. I got you! You needed to have seen your face. God! I'm sorry. I was just joking. I was joking.
I beg, don't joke like that again.
Okay, let me see it. Let me see it again.
Fine, eh? I say the truth. Say the truth.
She's fine.
Yeah, better.
That's what you want to hear.
It's not what I want to hear, it's what it is. She wasn't joking. She really wasn't joking. Oh, God. Now it all makes sense. Why every woman always leaves my life. All my female friends, they all leave. Why I couldn't keep a simple relationship, you know? It all makes sense.
Love is fun, love is beautiful. Nothing is sweeter than love. When two hearts beat as one, love doesn't care who you are. It doesn't care where you're from. All that matters is what the heart feels. Love is fun, love is beautiful. Nothing is sweeter than love. When two hearts beat as one, love doesn't care who you are. It doesn't care where you're from. All that matters is what the heart feels. I love you and will always do. My heart is yours and yours alone. Through the thick and thin,
No vex, abeg, no vex. No say after this one, if I do another one, no answer me. No vex, torí Ọlọ́run jọ̀ọ́, má bínú.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Jọ̀ọ́ ọkọ mi, jọ̀ọ́ má bínú torí Ọlọ́run jọ̀ọ́, mo fi Jésù bẹ̀ ẹ́, jọ̀ọ́ má bínú. It's not me. It's the devil and your sister. True, I'm not lying, no. Your sister, and I believe they tell me everything where you they do. Say you carry different women. Say you they tell girls to send you naked picture. Say you they shame for me. Say you don't even want to carry me come up because say you they shame for me. So I know day your level. They tell me say all the bad things. Now you they do and pass. She won't tell me say you they wait make I born for you. May you collect the pikin from her and throw me come out. Okay.
I have something to tell you.
What? Jerry, what is this girl doing here?
She betrayed you. No, I didn't. You sent me to ball. You threatened to fire me if I don't go.
What the hell are you talking about?
I can prove it.
Prove what? Jerry, don't tell me you...
Oh, stop it, Emily. I beg you in the name of God, stop it.
Emilio. Báwo ni?
Folake, what are you doing by the... Just stop me, are you crazy?
Only a bad Jenny. What? The first slap, now because you deceived me, you lied to me. The second slap, now because you sleep with my husband. He tell me, you think I no go know. Wobi, make I warn you for your full life. Nearly a year. If they born you a mommy, but near my husband again. If I don't go enter you, oh sure, I shall wash. But you see better brother. You say no. You know what? Best is he tell your parents maybe they adopt you. Maybe you carry you as his sister. You say no until you mess up in life like your own mess up. Oh sure, my shall wash. What? What if I to catch you near my husband again? Do you why my mother talking about my mother Lenny? I shall everybody around the world come and see I shall what?
Jesus. Babe, where did you go to?
I go and see somebody. I went to go and tell somebody something.
By this time of the night? Who is the person?
That your useless sister. I go and tell her, that your useless sister. Where they craze. I tell her I know who she is and she they craze true.
You didn't fight her, did you?
Fight too. If I handle that one, show my Yisha, I should be like that. Let's see where I go put my leg. I go to beat them like Peking.
Wait. I'm sorry for all of this. I didn't know she had that kind of feelings for me. I'm really sorry I cheated on you.
Welcome, it's me that shouldn't tell you sorry because that one way you do not follow for cheating. That girl rape you, they need that food. Now God go judge her. If I will still lay her for junction,
Baby, I'm sorry. No vex, no. I'm not. How can I vex? I don't feel vex for you now. You know, say I love you past the way I love myself.
Hello, Olivia, fine boy. That your sister. Ah,
Don't forget her.
Oh no, yo.
Don't forget her.
Mo fẹ́ finish here. Ni bí kí n mú báyìí kí n kọ sí wẹ́wẹ́ what's that English yo? When you're cutting somebody into pieces. That kind.
You cut her into pieces.
Not yet.
Is she alive?
What do you want to use her life to do?
Police now. No.
Oh, maybe no. Because that is rape, she rape you. Would not cheat on me. But maybe you invest my better husband. We will fine. We'll find that cook. That man again want to collect from my hand. So fine, sha.
Nothing is sweeter than love. When two hearts beat as one, love doesn't care who you are.
Hi.
It doesn't care where you're from.
Came to say I'm sorry about everything that has happened. The truth is that I've always had feelings for you, but it wasn't agape. And now I've come to understand that it was very unhealthy. And I'm sorry about that. I'm leaving the company. I believe that's what's best for the both of us. But I'm still hopeful that perhaps in the future you find a place in your heart to forgive me. And that we'll come back to being siblings again. My resignation later. I'm sorry.
I said I should bring you small food with juice.
Really? Oh, thank you. You're the best. My baby.
It's now.
Where's the juice?
It's in the fridge. Squeeze it inside.
I'll squeeze the juice myself. It's okay. Let us do this. You are pregnant? Eh? Eh?
Jesus. No, that time when I go stay for my mom, but yeah, sister, you don't impact. Kí ló ṣe lọ́mọkẹ́?
I love you so much.
Mommy love you. What? See, I don't get better now. Come go cook.
Yes.
Go cook.
Wait, make I go cook.
Yeah. Go cook.
Wait, no.
Let me raise my leg, you Jare.
Wait.
Yay!
Wait, hey! Sorry. Baby's kicking. Hey, sorry.
Kick, no.
What do you want to eat?
What do you want to cook?
Amala.
Lakoba, make you poison.
Hey, I swear, people can. I swear.
True.
Ibedu. Igbegiri. Extra spice.
How are you?